Hey everyone, welcome back to Curious Bytes. It's been a while and GATE 2025 is few months away. So I hope you all are as motivated and determined as you were at the start of your preparation. It's almost mid-September, and if you have not yet started giving full-length tests, this is the right time to start giving them. So in this video, let's discuss about test series in detail.
Curious Bites.
Let's start by talking about a general idea of any test series. So, any test series consists of topic tests, subject tests, multi subject tests, and full length tests. Out of these, topic, subject, and multi subject tests should go in parallel with your syllabus completion phase. When you are starting any new subject, when you complete it, in parallel, you should appear for these tests because these tests help you see variety of questions and help you revise the subjects. Along with that, it also helps you in applying the concepts which you have studied. On the other hand, full-length test is a mock gate exam. From now, you should start giving one full-length test each week. I used to give it on Sundays, and it should be a serious test. You should sit on a table and chair along with a water bottle, and you should appear for the test in one sitting. You should not use any personal calculator or you should not refer to your notes during this test. Just appear for it as actual gate exam. What will happen by doing this is when you appear for the actual gate exam, it would not feel new. So, there will be no underperformance due to newness, anxiety, or any tension. You'll just get used to appearing for a 3 hour long gate exam. Now, which test series you should buy? So, talking about me, I bought Made Easy and Applied Gate test series. My first recommendation would be that buy two different test series. This helps you to not get adjusted to one particular type of questions and it helps you to see variety of questions. You should not aim to complete all the tests of both the test series, but you should try to give as many full length tests as you can. Starting now, you could appear for one full length test every week till December. Another recommendation here would be to look out for free mock tests conducted by various institutions. I appeared for a test from GFG, one from Gated Seal, and one from Unacademy. There are a lot of institutions which conduct these free mock tests, and usually they are at an all India level. So, this will further help you see variety, improve your time management, and see all the various formations of questions. Finally, what should be done after giving each test? So, analysis of every test whenever you appear for it is very important. If you do not analyze your test and just appear for it, it would not add anything to your gate preparation. How could you do this analysis? So, after appearing for every full length test, you should sit for a decent amount of time analyzing the test. Like it could take about 2 hours to analyze a 3 hour test. You could take a sheet of paper for each test. You could note down the date of the test on which you are appearing for it, and you could note down the test number. Followed by it, you should note down the positive marks you scored in that test, negative marks you scored in that test, and your total score. Further, you could divide the sheet of paper into three major parts. One is conceptual mistakes, other is silly mistakes, and finally the time management aspect. In the conceptual mistakes section, note down all the conceptual gaps which you faced while giving this test. You could avoid the conceptual gaps of the subjects which are not yet covered, like in the current month and the next month. But by December, every subject would be covered. So then you could cover all the conceptual mistakes in the conceptual mistakes section. In the silly mistakes, note down whatever silly mistakes you did in whichever subject. And finally, in the time management section, you should note down your key takeaways from your time management. How was your time management in this particular test? Now, all these points are to be read now only, and you'll never get time to again refer to them back. So, whatever conceptual mistakes you have noted down, just go through the notes and clear that concept right now. Whatever silly mistakes you have noted down, just read them twice or thrice so that it sits in your head. And whatever takeaways of time management you have, just note them down in your head so that you do not repeat them again. Another section which I used to have in my analysis sheet was whatever new points I learned from this test. Like I was able to solve some question, but I felt that question is very new. So one point about what was the newness in the question and something like that. So that is it for today. All the best for your preparation. Do not get demotivated or overconfident from your score of the test series. Just keep preparing. This is the right time to speed up your preparation if you are lagging behind, or to get an edge over others if you are on track of your preparation. So keep preparing and use your time wisely, but do not burn yourself as there is still a long way ahead and in which you have to work really hard. I'll be coming up with more videos on the issues which you could face in the last few months of your preparation, so stay tuned. And until next time, stay curious and keep progressing.